The unfair deprivation, the life, liberty, and property that has been taken from me, yes, without any due process protections, yes, of the actual notice, yeah, reasonable notice and opportunity to be heard, yeah, without the respondent receiving actual notice of the hearing, yes, without any of the court orders being issued in accordance with the full faith and credit provisions of the VAWA, yes, because I was indigent and my wife was too. Well, when you deprive us of our right to have an attorney, considering the six kids, the infant Benjamin, and my right to be informed of my right to an attorney if I got notice of court hearings, the dissolution of marriage would have worked out completely different. Now, for those that are conspiring against these rights, yes, I'm going to want to make some money today. See, it's been said that if you just put your head in the sand, nothing will ever. You're in complete denial. You're delusional. Now, when you think of an ostrich, yes, maybe it's a pelican. Yes, I was looking at a seagull. Yes, it was on top of the roof, and I got to thinking of that roadrunner and how the seagull's legs are very thin. Yes, and that made me want to know what Marilyn's legs look like. Yes, without any clothing on. Now, sand is a loose accumulation of tiny pieces of rock or minerals that are larger than silt or clay but smaller than pebbles. Most grains of sand were formed parts of solid rocks that have crumbled away. Yes, yes, yes. Sand is widely distributed over the earth. Yes. It lies at the bottom of the sea in many lakes. Large amounts of sand wash up from shallow sea bottoms onto beaches. Now, sand may be composed of many types of materials. Quartz is the most common mineral in sand. Yes. Sand also may include other minerals such as feldspar, fragments of rock. Yes. Calcite, yes. Black sand is found in Hawaii and other Pacific Islands because there's grains of basalt. Now, its important industrial uses, yes. Sand and gravel are mixed with cement to make concrete. Manufacturers use a pure form of quartz sand called silica sand to make glass, abrasives, furniture, and linings and scientific molds. Now, some river deposits of sand called placers, yes, may also contain small amounts of such precious substances as gold, platinum, and diamonds. You know, I wanted to desalinate a large amount of ocean water. And as much as I think it's important where I put the desalinator, it might be more important what kind of sand is there. Now, let's say I wanted to know the world's best sand for any and all industrial purposes. Yes. Or I like that arc welder. I can make one 100 stories tall. Yes. And instead of putting it way out there in the ocean where no one can see it, yes, I could put it at the locations where the greatest amount of value is for the industrial use of the sand that happens to be under the water.